Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add expenses in your Zoho Books. It will be a step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here, if you want to add expenses, you just need to go over here to the purchase and you will find out the expenses options. You just need to select these ones. Once you click over here, now you can easily add your expenses over that place. For adding a new expense, you just need to click over here. Once you click over here, now you will get this kind of an interface. You just need to add all of these parts. For this one, the amount, how much you invest here, like how much you spend, then you can pre-cash, then select all this thing, and once it's done, you just need to click on save and it will be saved easily. The expense has been recorded. So in this way you can easily add your expense in Zoho Books. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.